How many of y'all have a kitty? I have a kitty cat. He's running around here somewhere. You'll see him as I'm putting this thing together. So I'll go ahead and leave a picture right here. So this right here I got off of Amazon. It's a dual kitty box. So I only have one cat. I'm not gonna have no more cats. It's the only pet we have. But anyways, as you've seen from the picture, or you can look, I'll leave a link down in the description below where you can go actually buy this off of Amazon. But they go in it, and then it has two directions. One, you can put a cat bed. The other side, you can put a litter box, or if you have multiple cats, put litter boxes. My cat, he has bathroom problems. So he gets real bad constipation. And so whenever sometimes he goes, he'll jump out of the box, and sometimes poo-poo goes flying, you know? And we don't want turds everywhere. We just moved into a new house, so excuse some of the mess. I'm still putting things up, still got my drills and everything else over here. Matter of fact, here comes Kitty right now. But anyways, so in this box right here, we're gonna put together real quick this kitty litter enclosure. So it's actually a TV stand. It's gonna go into the bedroom right below my TV to put all my stuff on top. One side we're gonna put all of his food and toys in. The other side will be his litter box. We're gonna see how hard this thing is to put together and if this is worth your money here in 2025. So the material right now, it is a pressed wood. It has a really nice laminate over it. It has a pretty good laminate. I'm hoping that it stays that way because I want, in case there's any overspray or anything else, I will be putting a liner in here as well. But for them to have an enclosed, like I said, it's called the cat litter enclosure, right? Yeah, cat litter box enclosure is what it is. But that's gonna be the inside, so whenever they go in, this is gonna be their door that they go into for it. So yeah, so far the wood, it doesn't, even though it's pressed wood, it feels really, really good, really, really sturdy. I'm back in the fight, I'm ready to roar, stronger than ever, I'm ready for more. Okay, so for me, whenever I have this stuff that you got to put together like this, I like to kind of spread out my materials just a little bit, you know, all my pieces, and then get me my clean surface. So now I have a nice clean surface in here to start putting this thing together. In the manual here, it says that everything that it comes with, and then trying to see if it shows what all you will need. Looks like you're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver, is what it's showing right now. So it doesn't look like it's going to be a hard chore, but we're gonna go ahead and start getting this thing put together. And from this point on, we will, pretty much everything's time lapse on here. And we'll go from there and see how hard it is to put together. Look at that, he's already, I don't know if y'all can see him or not, he's trying to get into it and it's not even put together yet. Buddy. All right, let me get this thing put together. I'm done. They say I'm spent, but my fire's alive and I'll never relent. I've seen it all. I felt the sting, but the years made me sharper, a ruthless king. Age is a number, it's fuel in my veins. I'm ready to rage, so bring on the chains. Age won't stop me. I'm still alive. Harder and louder. I still got the drive. My spirit is tough. I've been through the hell. I've handled the rough. The younger they come, the louder they scream. But I've got the power. I'm still in the dream. I'm past my prime. They don't know my name. I've been forced in fire. I've mastered the game. I've got the stars. I've got the rain. All right, so we got the kitty litter box all set up. He really does like it. We've been using it now for about 2 weeks. I did get a piece of carpet and I cut it. I got it at the Dollar Tree. And it was something that I used to kick his feet, but I cut it to fit in here. We're gonna get another one for in here because some kitty litter gets down a little bit. I wish the girls would pull it back some. I haven't, like I said, we've been using it for about 2 weeks now, and I don't smell no kitty poo, no kitty pee, no nothing. It's very functional. This side here, we have his toys and his food and everything. I'm gonna get a block off. Right now, he's not actually getting in here and trying to play with anything, so which is good. But if he does, I'm just gonna block this side off. But I already knew that I wanted to use this for storage. And like I said, I mean, a little bitty piece of carpet that I got right here. It just slides out so we can clean all that kitty litter out. But other than that, I mean, it functions just right. So there's my TV in the bedroom. Got my sound bar, got my PS5. I mean, it's very functional. So yeah, all in all, I mean, this right here is a heck of a buy. So go ahead, it works, it's sturdy. I mean, I'll sit on this and put my shoes on or whatever. It doesn't flex or nothing like that. There's no flex to it, nothing. I mean, it works and does what it needs to do. All right, so here in 2025, I mean, this is worth your hard-earned money here in 2025. It does what it needs to do. So if you do have cats, I mean, even I would say that you can put this in the living room and don't have to worry about any of the cat smell, and it hides your cats and use it as a TV stand 100%. But anyways, I'm Thomas of Tomology. I'll catch you in another one. Go ahead and check up the video right up here and see if this one's worth your hard-earned money here in 2025.